In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page on Carrd. We'll start right from the dashboard. So first, log into your Carrd account. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner of the screen and find the button that says New Site with a plus icon. Click that. Carrd will load a gallery of different templates you can use. These are pre-built layouts that make it much faster to get started. At the top of this page, you'll see different tabs for template types. Since we're building a landing page, click on the tab labeled Landing. This will filter the templates so you only see designs that are suitable for single-page websites, like sign-up pages, product previews, or simple portfolios. Take a moment to scroll through and look for a layout that feels close to what you want. When you've found one you like, hover your mouse over it and click Select. If you ever want to start completely from scratch, there's also a blank option in the upper right. But for now, we'll stick with a template to keep things simple. Once the template opens, you'll be inside the Carrd editor. Here, you can see all the elements that make up your landing page. Things like text blocks, buttons, images, and forms. To customize any of these, simply click directly on the element in the main preview. When you select it, a settings panel will open on the right side of the screen. At the top of this panel, you'll see several icons that let you switch between different types of settings. The first tab is usually for the content or basic settings of that element, where you can change text, links, or images. Another tab controls appearance, such as colors, fonts, and spacing. There's also an animation tab if you want elements to fade in or slide into view, and an advanced tab for more specific behavior. If there's an element you don't need, you can delete it by scrolling to the bottom of the settings panel and clicking the trash icon. Don't worry, you can always undo if you make a mistake. To rearrange elements on the page, click and drag them in the main editor area and drop them where you want them to appear. To add brand new elements, go to the top of the editor and click the plus icon. A drop-down menu will appear with options like text, images, buttons, and more. Choose the type of element you want, and Carrd will automatically add it to the bottom of your landing page. From there, just drag and drop it into the right position, and then use the panel on the right to configure its content, appearance, and any animations you want. Once you're happy with everything, you're ready to publish your landing page.